I'm Marilynne Smith Quarcoo. I reside in the city of Boston. I'm a lifelong educator. I have my doctorate in educational administration, and I work at the intersection of teaching and learning, equity, and excellence. I'm very interested in student motivation and engagement. I think clinical research is very important. In fact, I participated in a recent clinical trial at Mass Eye and Ear for ruptured eardrum. It was a successful experience for me. My mother, who died at the age of 92, made a decision before her death that she would donate her brain cells to scientific research. My mother, an amazing woman, had an IQ of 149. She was a Renaissance woman. She did work at the Pentagon, she did work at Harvard University, and she worked in the Cambridge Public Schools. But she also struggled with bipolar disorder and dementia. But her dementia, she was very aware of everything that was going on for her. So, in both of us making these actions, we created agency for ourselves. We wanted to be ensure that we were having an impact on other people's lives. My mother's very committed to opening that window around mental health issues and concerns. Clinical research is really important to me. I often think about the generational trauma that's experienced not only by African Americans, but indigenous people, all people have been subjugated, particularly in the early days of medical research. I think it's important for us, as we think about clinical research, to lift up those people who did struggle and suffer. I want to lift up the names of Archana, Lucy, and Betsy. These three women, they should be known as the mothers of gynecology. Their bodies were used without anesthesia to create some of the practices that we use in gynecology today. There is a monument to them in Montgomery, Alabama today. We need to call on their strength and perseverance. The notion of no informed consent is outrageous. And today we have to ensure that there's always an option for people to consent for whatever medical treatments they have. Clinical research is also very important to me because we need to think about the future. I'm excited to serve on the Community Coalition for Equity and Research because I'm beginning to understand the commitment that medical field is making to improve the process for bringing community, researchers, practitioners together so that we're all forward facing in terms of thinking about how to improve and engage more people in the clinical research process. Clinical research is important. We need to uphold the current day practitioners, the researchers, the community advocates, patients, all of who are making a choice to participate in research that should improve medical and health outcomes for all. I truly hope that citizens will be able to let go of some of our anxiety around research and understand how each of us can make a contribution to improved health care for so many more.